Bang! Neeves Knives. I'm Jared. My lovely wife Kara is at work, and just out of film here, I have a packaging I'm about to unbox sent from Ronin. Let's get into it. Now, I'm not sure if... I'm pretty sure I have to send these back. I'm not positive. I seen a comment, I believe in the live. I don't want to, say that and be wrong. But let's just get right into it. First box, a Spyderco. Oh my god, I can already see what that is. This is an absolute legend. Spyderco. I'm sure most of you guys know what this is. This is the Slish Buoy. Sleece Buoy, however it's pronounced. The same designer that designs the Techno 2. Oh, I'm going to do the left. Oh, that was left-handed. Oh my god, this is... Oh, that is so smooth. I get it. I get it now. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Lord. Oh, my Lord. I get it already. Man, that is smooth. Let's reverse look at... Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This thing's awesome. Wow, I never realized they had a G10 backspacer. And it's got a Spyderco lanyard. This is pretty awesome. Oh yeah, it feels real nice in the hand. Especially for being so thin. And the depth being this way. Feels pretty good in the hand. That is... Man, that is sweet. All right, we got one more. Oh my god, that's sweet. Sorry for saying that. Let's see here. Ooh, we got... Yeah, these are definitely nice that you have to get sent back. The Olamic Whippersnapper. Wow, that's Kara's favorite color right there. Oh, that is sweet. Man. These things are just so well built. Nice edge on it, too. Very nice edge. Very sharp edge. Man, that hardware looks so beautiful. Man, those ergos on the Whippersnapper are nice. Man, this thing pops. It's got the polished and like rings inside the circles. And you can see all the hardware, all titanium hardware. This is this one's 20 CV. An Olamic Whippersnapper. That's nice, man. The reverse flick on these is just so nice. The top flipping action or front flipping action is so easy. It's ridiculous. You probably can't get much easier than this because you have so much, it's a decent size handle. And you have the mohawk up here that just is so controllable. It's almost like you push this way instead of just straight back. So you can go straight back, but you can also go up top and just basically go down, and it works so good. Great sharpening choil. Very, very nice. Thank you, Ronin, for letting us check out these knives. This is very iconic. Definitely a legend, and you're awesome, man. Thank you so much. I love you guys, and until the review, peace.